to try to break a habit. I changed my mind. Now I can have it. Make me feel alive. I've got nothing to would I go chasing after? I had myself to blame. I knew it meant disaster. My arms went up in flames. I ran until the morning, bit my heart from my chest. I put my soul into this. I can't control myself. Why do I still try to chase this? I can only hold my breath. All my sanity has gone, and I cannot control myself. I went insane, trying to forget. I hate myself now that I still want it, and I wasted my time. Must be out of my mind. 'cause your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only 'cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone.